Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to device lock a Fitbit Charge. So to device lock your Fitbit Charge, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing to do is just step one is to open the Fitbit app. So launch the Fitbit app on your iPhone or Android and make sure your Charge is connected through Bluetooth. Then on the step two, you have to go to your device settings. So to do this, tap the profile icon or the profile picture at the top left and select Charge from the list of the device. Then on the step 3, you have to enable device lock. So to do this, scroll down and tap device lock, then tap turn on. Then create a 4-digit PIN when prompted. And the step 4 is to confirm the PIN. So we enter your chosen PIN to confirm, and your Charges is now locked, and it will require the PIN when removed from your waist or restarted. And that's how you can simply device lock a Fitbit Charge 6. Find the video helpful, turn on the share button and subscribe for more. Thanks.